Hello friends, 2011 Dodge Ram 3500. It's got a 6.7 liter engine, it's a diesel engine, and we're gonna be, it's got a slow response on the Upstream O2 sensor. So we're gonna be cleaning the O2 sensor and putting it back. Okay, first thing you wanna do, disconnect the batteries. All right, so this truck has got two batteries. Here I disconnected the negative pulse of the battery, and this side I disconnected both of them, okay? All right, so we got Upstream O2 sensor right here. You can see it right there. Upstream O2 sensor. Catalytic converter, see how big it is? Catalytic converter. And then we got Downstream O2 sensor right here. See it right there? Downstream O2 sensor. So with the one we're gonna do service is the Upstream O2 sensor, which is the one that for fuel control. Okay? So if you follow the wire from the O2 sensor, you follow the wire all the way to this side, come down, and then you can see the connector is right here. Right here is the connector. So that's basically the connector itself from the O2 sensor is the one click into the frame. So we need to pop this out. Okay, now to take the O2 sensor out, remember 7/8. Okay, now you see we got the upstream sensor out. See how dirty it is here? It's got carbon on it. So according to the manual, we're gonna blow air, pressurized air into that center hole right there, and then clean it up, put a little bit of anise in the thread, and bolt it back. Put the connector back, and that's it. All right? Now we got air, pressurized air. Now we're gonna blow it through the center hole. You see all that black stuff coming out? All right, just a tiny bit of anise like this in the thread, you see? That's it. Let me show you. Just like that, okay? Make sure it doesn't get any grease, you know, from that point to the tip, okay? Just in the thread. All right, now we have the O2 sensor in position, already installed in the exhaust. Now we come here and reinstall the connector. Make sure you know there is no dirt or something in the connector itself. Plug it back in until it clicks, and then put it in the frame. Now this boot goes in top of the O2 sensor over here. See? Just like that. Just sits right there. And that's it, friends. See? Pretty easy, pretty simple. You can do it yourself. Alright. If you like this video and helped you some way, please give us some like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or questions on this car, you can leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.